Hi, my name is Alyssa, and I'm with Knob Noster Physical Therapy. I've got my workout gear on because we're working out today, and this will be the last and final video of our plank series. So again, if you haven't checked out those first two where we cover basic planks and then moving to our floor planks, please do, as those are the first step in this process. Today we're going to cover some more advanced plank challenges. So whether you've just mastered your static hold ones and are looking for an extra challenge, or whether you're training for something specific where dynamic core movements are necessary, this is a great place to start on training those further core activities. So today we're going to show 3 different variations. So we're going to have a shoulder tap plank, plank jacks, and then also a spider plank. So today I'll show you the shoulder tap ones. These are most often done in that hand extended position, as then you can get a little more movement of your arms rather than our elbow position. So to start here, we're going to start in our arms extended plank. And so for our shoulder taps, you're going to work really hard to keep your body all in a line and very controlled. And we're going to unweight one hand, come up, tap that shoulder, coming back down, and then switch to the other side. So here we don't want big hip movements. We don't want your bottom to come up. We don't want it to drop down. We want to try to keep everything as close as you can. So for this one, I kind of recommend keeping your feet spread apart a little bit. That way you can stabilize better. I don't want them all the way out to the side, but nice shoulder width apart gives you a little better control and keeps you from shifting so much. So a few repetitions of that would look like this. And again, they're starting at that 15 to 30 seconds, or if you'd rather count number of shoulder taps, you can do it that way as well, progressing to higher repetition amounts. This is a great activity to incorporate into any high intensity interval training or anything where you're trying to keep that heart rate up and keep things moving. Our next one will be a spider plank. So for that one, we're going to actually move our legs instead of our arms. So again, you can do this one either in a tall plank position or that elbow plank position. You get a little more range of motion, a little more movement out of the tall plank, but the elbow is also perfectly fine as well and a little bit harder. So today we're going to go into that tall plank, again, keeping everything nice and straight. And for the spider plank, we're going to bring the knee out to the side, coming towards the elbow, coming back down, and then we'll switch to the other side. With this one, it's okay to have a little bit of movement as you get that hip up to the side, from side to side. We just don't, again, want that bottom to come up or to drop down. And again, this is another nice one to incorporate. A little bit harder than the shoulder taps because you are doing a little bit more movement and requires a little more hip mobility, but a great addition to any plank training if you're getting bored with your normal planks or want to try something a little bit different. And our last one is going to be a plank jack. So for this one, sounds very similar to a jumping jack because it is. So for this one, we're going to keep our arms nice and stable, and we're going to kick our feet out to the side and back. So this one tends to be a little easier to get your bottom coming up than anything, but we really want to try to keep it in line. I cannot promise you that my bottom will not come up in the air when I'm showing you this. Not very good at this one, but I will do my best. So here, you're going to be in that tall plank position. You can also do it on the elbows. Again, I will demonstrate in the tall, and we're going to jump those legs out to the side and then jump them back. So a full plank jack would look like this. Again, same as the others. Go ahead and start at that lower rep count or time count, working your way up as you progress, and incorporate these into high intensity interval training, any sort of core workout to really challenge your core and that stability, and to promote a greater challenge with your daily activities. So as always, if you need anything, feel free to call the clinic or check us out at knobpt.com.